get into it. Let's get into it. 1 minute into the opening bell turns on. What do we have here? We got the new day opening gap acting as support. Got that acting as support. Let me see something really cool. We got 12 a.m. 2:05, 2:25. Got the midnight open. We have the 8:30 opening here. Three, 2, 4. We got the 8:30 there, so let's see where we want to head. Or do we continue lower? We dropped lower, almost 1,000 points in the last 2 days. I was looking at this morning. I was expecting price to run this out. I'm not gonna lie. When price goes up, I'll jag and slow like this. I constantly say this like every day. When price goes up slow and jagged, I anticipate price running these traders out going long. So let's see what's to it. Let me do this instead. So 9:30 opening here. Get a few more charts on my screen. This will be for the 15-minute. What the hell? Bro, what's wrong with this? What's wrong with my chart? Why is nothing popping up? This is trash, bro. Nothing yet, but we got still got the smooth highs right here as a drawn liquidity. Doesn't have to get there, but I'm keeping in mind that price may want to get up, head up there. We also got this here as well. We got that there. What else? That's really it, chat. Regular trading hours. We got the opening range gap. Crazy. This was a crazy opening range gap. What the? Am I tripping? This looks different. You gonna see though, chat. What's the bias today, chat? Y'all bullish or bearish? What y'all think? I don't understand why it's not letting me. There we go. Cause I'm like, bro, ain't no way, bro. All right, so this is our 15-minute time frame here. Make that a little bit better. There. And then we'll do one more for the higher time frame. Use the 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour on a daily for the third chart. So you can see we clearly traded from this gap, consequent encroachment of this gap midpoint. We tapped it with these candles here. So do this here, premium array. For the line, you see how we respected it there. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll keep this clear though. We'll keep that in mind. The 830 is low-key lined up with the midpoint, so I'll remember that. I'll make sure I remember that and checking back to this, but that'll be important. Let's see. 1 hour, 15 minute. What is the 5 minute doing? We got the low from yesterday, Asia session 9 p.m. We got that. That just got swept. PM session low here at 3:45. These lows here kind of look okay. Then we have this low here from 11:30, start of lunch. Then we have this original sell side level here that we were trying to target yesterday. So we're gonna see. See how we use this new day opening gap. Look at the low, we swept this here. Let me do this instead. Look at that as an inversion gap. Inversion fair value gap. Get rid of that right there. That line looks important. We also have this here that was ran through. This one was used as an inversion as well. You're gonna see today, chat. We're gonna see. We dropped 1,000 points in the last 2 days, so we gotta just wait and see if the market's gonna offer us something. We either target these highs here. Let me get rid of that there because that's important. That was from yesterday. Yesterday's first presentation fair value gap here. Do we create a gap yet? No gap has been created after 9:30 yet, so we don't have that just yet. But looks like we may get to it here soon. That's what you call displacement. That's exactly what you call displacement. No cap. I don't really trade the opening range, but kind of looks nice. We'll see though, we'll see. Let's see if this shit has an inversion fair value gap there. 5 minute. You too, appreciate you. We gonna see. Let me see. Got to get you a mouse for that computer. Would change your life. I got to get a mouse, bro. I may need one, but I don't have enough. I may have to buy more USB-C adapters because this MacBook only has 2, and I got my camera hooked up right here, and I got my screen being shown on my monitor. So I'm gonna definitely look into that. just have me a cool little mouse right here instead of having to reach over. You definitely right, bro. Definitely right. Bro, is it me or is this shit like tripping? What is wrong with Trading View? How did they just change this color? Like what? I did not change. Bro, this shit's tripping. This shit say it's orange, but it's blue. Like what? No. Gotta do better, Trading View, bro. Gotta do better. This is crazy. We gonna see if this even act as an inversion anyway, but this is crazy, bro. Let's see if it's treated as an inversion or a regular premium array. I'm leaning more toward the inversion. I do believe a retracement is likely to happen. We already dropped 1,000 points in the last 2 days. You feel me? So I wouldn't see why the market wouldn't just come take these out. I mean, it don't got to, but this area right here is extremely smooth. Let's see if we can get that new day opening gap as support. Look at the drop from. This is the drop from Friday. So from Friday, 10 a.m. we dropped almost 1,300 points, 1,200 points. Crazy, right? That's a crazy drop. Crazy. Imagine you swing trade and you just held on to something like this, bro. That'd be nice. All right, so far this is holding up as a premium array, but we did just tap back into this gap. I wouldn't mind buying this right now, but I'll have to wait till that 10 o'clock hour. We swept the lows. We swept the sell side here. Sell side there swept. It was the low from 9 p.m. yesterday. So let's see if they use this as a premium array or inversion fair value gap. Save as. Okay. Let's see what they want to do with it here. 8 minutes into the macro. So it looks like we're using it as a premium array. So a bearish fair value gap. Put it like that. We swept those highs on NQ. Do we sweep them on ES? Yeah, we swept them on ES too. What about on YM? Oh, YM we creating an SMT. We creating an SMT chat on YM. That's US 30. Left this gap open there. See what we want to do, chat. We sweep this low. It'd be nice if we could stay around this area till around 10 o'clock maybe. That's a long time from now. I mean, not too long, but that's a lot of movement. A lot can happen within 17 minutes, 16 minutes. So we gonna see, chat. We gonna see. You cut us out the midpoint just a little bit. What here? came back above it. Looking at this whole entire gap, but they treat this gap as an inversion, but they reclaim it as bullish. Usually when you see setups happen like this, treat that as an inversion for value gap. And you see a bearish for value gap, price usually goes lower from there. But we got plenty of time. Is there news? Let me see. New home sales at 10 a.m. Crude oil. We're not really worried about the crude oil though, for sure. Crude oil not really that impactful, but new home sales is kinda impactful. We got the first presentation fair value gap right here at 938. So I want to see what they do with it here. I'm not going to highlight it out because I don't want to have the charts too clustered. But I got yesterday's first presentation fair value gap right. This is yesterday's here. Extend right. There we go. So let's see. Not done yet. Look at the close and look at the open of this candle. Look at this gap here. If y'all can see that, right? Look at that. Look at the close of this green candle and the open of this black candle, bearish candle. Look at this fair value gap. Look at the bodies. That's crazy, right? Look at the bodies, chat. Holding up. It was at least, but look at that. Okay. My model says for me I can be a buyer under the midnight open and 8:30 open, which is a really good deep, meaning we're in a really deep discount. But I have to wait until that 10 o'clock hour. So what are the new? I don't see the, but we got this minor buy side level here. We got that there, so let's see if they run that. It should. Why does it keep doing that? So we reclaimed it as bullish. First presentation fair value gap. 10 minutes until that macro starts. I mean, yeah, about 12 minutes. So let's see what they do here with this high at 740 flat. Okay. New 5-minute candle about to start. So I want to see how they use this here. We inside this whole entire bearish 5-minute fair value gap. We got this here. We got this bearish fair value gap here holding up as inversions here. We didn't get the immediate rebalance though, but we left open a small little tiny gap. I think we could take out these highs, chat, here today. I think we can. I think we can get up there. I think we can get there today. I want to see what this would be used as here. This would be nice if we can use this as an inversion as well. I'm gonna wait till price get into it though. Wait till price gets into it. Let's see if this can be treated as an inversion now. So let's see what they do here with it. If you would have took the long here, your stop would have never got hit. Even taking the long in this gap here, stop would have been there. So if I wanted this to be used as an inversion for value gap to the upside, if I want to price to trade higher from this, I really wouldn't want to see price be in this lower portion of the gap. That would indicate to me that okay, we might be going short. This might fail as an inversion. So we'll see though. We'll see what happens. We inside that macro now, so let's see what they want to do with it. Okay. Okay, we holding up. I want to see price stay in this upper half here now. It'd be better if we don't even trade back into it, but I want to see price stay in this area here, or even wick the midpoint. That's about it. First objective will be here. 8 minutes left, so I'll wait on like some type of retracement. We trade into this 15-minute. Expect some type of retracement, then I want to see it used as an inversion. So let's see, chat. We can carry us along the way. Buy side there. You got this here. Hold on. Put a line there. Seven minutes till that 10 o'clock hour starts. I'm in. You went long. Stop here. Stop has to be what, here under here, this order block here. You're gonna see. I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock though. I really don't trade inside the opening range. I can see it going higher though, but if I miss it, it's alright. It is what it is. I'm gonna stick to that 10 o'clock. We got 6 minutes left, so I ain't tripping. We'll see. If we're around this area at 10, then I'll add an entry. But if not, that'll be it, and I'll just wait until something else appears. But I'm gonna wait till 10 for sure. So I got 6 minutes before I can even go long. What I'll do is I'll do this here. So we didn't trade back into that. That's nice here. We got this gap, this bearish candle here. This gap here. So breaker right here. How they use it. Okay. Take your time. Yeah, I ain't even tripping, bro. I ain't missing out on nothing at all. At all, you feel me? But this does just like a good, you can get like a good little pump. That'd be nice. See how this 15-minute candle closes. If we can get the intermediate rebalance, that'd be nice. I mean, yeah, cause the stop would be here. The stop would be there. So let's see. We tap back into it one more time. Stop is still covered. We got news at 10 a.m. Yeah, I forgot about that. Well, that definitely will play some type of factor. New day open and get back in that support. We got the sweep of liquidity here. This candle should hold up. So if we would have took the long here, entry would have, the stop loss would have to be here below this candle. If we took the long in this area and we were targeting this, stop would have to be here. Let's see how it holds up though. But this is why I don't, me personally, this is why I don't trade. I wait till 10 o'clock candle opens because wow, the 1 hour is looking crazy. What the? I like this though. I like how we're starting down here from this range. I like that a little. I like that. We still didn't hit our stop. Still wouldn't have got hit. Stop is still solid. Okay, now I wouldn't mind adding. I wouldn't mind taking a trade here. I wouldn't mind that. Maybe add one there at that inversion. Maybe do something like this if it taps back into it. Something like that. there. All right. Sounds like a plan. And maybe we can get above the first, so we try to take some off here. Maybe this will be the objective for the day. I mean, I do think we can still get up there, but we'll see. I like how we just opened there. Give it a little minute. I kind of like that reaction. Stop what it got hit though on Topstep. That's what it's looking like. Huge lag on Topstep. Huge lag. Yeah, huge lag on Topstep. If I would have went long and took the long and put my stop here. Huge lag. I'm not too well. Oh wait, hold on. Discount. I want to see if we can get back into it one more time. Then I'll put my stop below here. We'll go 2 for now. Let's see if we can just tap back into that. Looking at how we're using that gap though, I'm not really. We are below the midnight, so not bad. If I were to take this, it would have to be something like this. We're inside that gap. It's not looking too given though, you know what I mean? You got this inefficiency here. Inside the macro still, so I mean, I like kind of like how we stand in that area, just a little bit. I'm gonna add 2.
Order filled.
Add 1 more.
Order filled.
268. There we go.
Order filled.
That's good enough right there. Let me see if we can get up here. We'll see. My original target is that first presentation paper you got at 3640. 364. We'll take off. Hold on. 3640. Look, you're gonna raise my stop here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna put it there. Cause price should hold up here. But let me put in this real quick. I wanna get around the dot. That's good enough right there. Then if we can get up there, chat, I'll take like one off here as well. Then we'll let the rest here. Looking like I'm about to get hit at.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got hit. All right. That trade didn't work out. Move my stop up. Price should have respected that. So no point in me taking a whole entire full loss if price want to come back towards its way. So I'll take that, screenshot that. All right. Seeing what they want to do with this gap here. We got this on a 5 minute. 1 minute here. I like the displacement there. So they may want to run it back towards these lows. After holding up, and we didn't take out, let me see, the ES take out that high. ES took out its high, right? So on ES, we took out this high here. ES, we took out its high. YM kind of did the same thing. So we just gonna wait and see, chat. See what's to it. Maybe I moved my stop a little too early, but I wanted to see price stay above this though. We shouldn't have did all this. Immediate rebalance. All right, I'm looking to go long again. I'll wait for a better entry though. Preferably I was inside of this here. Let's see though, cause there's a lot going on. We'll wait. No point in just rushing into a move when it's doing this right here. So we'll sit back and wait. I ain't missing on nothing too crazy. We still never took out this order block. We still never came below the order block, but on here we did. tap back into this breaker as well. On the 30 seconds, there anything like, okay, we had that there on the 30-second, which wasn't bad. We got this here. So inversion here, I use it there. All right, how much did I lose on that one? 2. All right, let me see something. Like how we tested that order block there. I'm gonna get it a little lower if we can.
Order filled.
To there, stop it, go back here. Then I'll add one more. $15. I like how we weaken that here as well. Balanced price range, I'm looking there. Looking to add one more, but I want to add one at a good spot. The order block is all right, I guess.
Order filled.
All right, that'll be the last one. Like I said, what we'll do is all right, so I don't want to see price come back below. We took that high. I don't want to see price come back below these down close candles. Let's see how this closes first. What was that first presentation fair value gap? That was at 3640. Take off one there. Move my stop up. Price shouldn't come back below here. This swing low. If we're gonna continue to the upside, take off one there, and then we got I want to see price hold up here, and then we'll take off the rest here. There. So let's see chat. Let's see chat. See if we can get there. We get to break even. I mean, we get up here to the first partial. Stops going break even. Macro was on our side just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. I was expecting it to deliver higher. I didn't want to see it come back below this, but it's okay. We tap back into that breaker here. So Let's see if we continue to trade higher. I really wouldn't expect us to go any lower than where we are now, but it could happen. He could start selling off here after sweeping the sell side, but that's why I raised my stop up. On the 5 minute, there isn't really any gaps. That looks, you know, we'll just see chat, see if this holds up. Taking off one at the first radar you got from yesterday. If it gets there, we'll take off one, then let the rest ride out. We'll probably take off more as price continues to go higher, if it does go higher from here. We testing that 830 open, so want to see if that 830 open can act as support. So far as doing its job, acting as support, that's what I want to see happen. So let's see, chat. Let's see. This candle right here should hold that support as well. Looking at my phone from looking at this chat, y'all can see that. So I can just stay focused on this time frame right here. 5 minute candle about to close in 2 minutes. It would be nice if we can get a pump, if we get a run, because it seemed like we did create a fair value gap on the 15 minute. So I'm gonna go stop to break even, because this should hold that support, and I want that 830, that 830 price point holding that support, which is around here. So price, I'm gonna put my stop just under that low here, so that way if price don't give us what we want, then we just move along. Lower your risk this time. Take another one. Put your chart. Put your chart yesterday for that's my final TB2. Let's go. Facts. That's your final TP. Let's go. Let's do it. Hopefully we can get a run up to those highs. Y'all think we run to those smooth highs today? I think we do. I think we do today. I think we get there today. No cap. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So on this trade here, when I went long around this area here. When I went long here, after seeing, because I was inside this little move here. So I went long inside this. I mean, no matter what, my stop would have kind of still got hit on Topstep. But on TradingView, my stop loss would have
Order
got hit.
filled.
What the? Wait, what's going on? Is this tripping? Is this tripping, bro? If I move this is my stop? Yeah, this is my stop, okay. So what we'll do is, chat, we have break even. We'll, wait, let me look at something, cause this, I'm just a glitch. Or am I just not experienced with this shit yet? I could have sworn I had to take something off. You added more. Oh, wow. Wow. All right. Let me do this instead. Wow. I added more. Okay, I'm glad you guys said something. In order for me to take one, I would just sell short one, right? Oh, because I did a buy limit. I didn't do a sell. Yeah, I'll take one off.
Order filled.
Just like that. Okay. That's my bad, chat. That's my bad, chat. I'm still a rookie just a little bit. We getting better, though. We getting better, though. All right. Oh, we tapped into this 15-minute inefficiency. There. Dang. Hopefully we can get past that, but if we can't, we good. We'll take the small $60 loss for the day. How many contracts I got left? 2. So I'll take one off. I'll take another one off here and be good. Limit sale. Limit sale. Get rid of that. Limit sale. We take out the last one. Right? Is it limit sale, right, Sadiq? Limit sale. That's good, chat. I need y'all to speak to me. Speak to me, chat. Speak to me, chat. I took one off. I'll just sell when we get up there. It don't even matter. I'll take another one off. The last one off here. There's fine. Dude, what did I click at first? Did I click buy? Did I click buy limit? He said you added more con. Wow, I'm crazy. That's crazy. I'm like, what? I'm like, what in the world is going on? I'm gonna hopefully this holds up as support. That'd be nice if we held up right there. Sell limit. Okay, yeah. Okay, limit sell. Okay, cool. I'm gonna move my stop up just a little bit. Really want to put it under that low, but I think that price can get. I'll just leave it there. Sell limit. All right, cool. Not just yet. We're not gonna move our stop just yet. This don't mean nothing. Price can tap back into that just like that. So last line of defense would be if this is just a run on stops.
Order filled.
All right. So down 45 on the day. After trading into this here, only down 45. That's not bad. That's not bad. At least we covered that. We covered up most of that loss. So that's what it's all about. Uh, Sometimes we don't know if price gonna. We don't know if price will, because price can still use this to go higher. You know what I mean? But sometimes we don't know. So let me see. Let me see something. So it's sell limit when I'm buying and buy limit when I'm selling. All right. Swept the liquidity there. First presentation fair value gap there. Wish I would have just got a little bit better entry, but we good though. Not too bad. Not too mad about it. 5 minute. On the 5 minute, there's this gap here. Get rid of that. $15 just like when they create that the same fair value gap that we did with on the 5 minute. From this range low to this high, all price was doing was just retracement. And you see how we tapped into the equilibrium of this range here? See how we tapped into, we use it there with that candle. So let's see. I'm gonna wait until the macro, see if we get something during the macro. If not, then I'll just move around. Maybe come back to PM session, or maybe just wait till tomorrow. We'll see. So really here's the short, the long here. We got the inversion here. The inversion here. Bullish fair value gap here, order block there. Yeah. So this really was the long here. I could have been long right here. Let's say I got it at that there. Something like that. 1 to 2, that's not bad. That's decent. We tap back into that bearish inefficiency here that was being used as an inversion. So let's see what we do. I like how we didn't trade back into these gaps. I like the displacement lower. We are above the midnight opening price, so this could be a catalyst to go short as well. I want to see how we treat this though. Because I can see the market going short and I can still see it going long, so that's not high probability, you feel me? Not high probability, so I have to wait and see. We completely closed that 5-minute inefficiency though. 43 seconds left, let's see. Sheesh. We got the smooth lows here, new day opening gap here. I didn't even notice that during that, but I wouldn't have took that anyway. 8 seconds left. 4 seconds left. Okay. closed under it. I like that. I like how we closed under it. Changing the state of delivery here on the 5 minute. Let's see if that holds up. Let me see how this holds up. If we just run that, it'll go lower. Yeah, it's 10:30. Wait till lunch. Got the intermediate rebalance there. 5 minute. Middle line there. Talking about the lunch macro, Sadiq? Oh, I'm tripping. I'm glad I took a partial here. Oh my, bro. Partials really changed the game for everything, bro. I mitigated that loss super quick. As you can see, I was down like 170. Mitigated that loss. Oh, okay, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Wait for the lunch macro. I wouldn't even have took the short here anyway because you still playing us out this 15-minute bearish fair value gap, which we could use to go higher still. So there was no way I was taking this trade. This is a high probability. If I can see the market going lower and going higher, they're gonna put me pressing no button. There's no point. Imagine I go short here. I mean, it still could play out, you feel me? But that would have been the worst. So, guess you could use this as a entry here. To be honest, go short there. We good though. We got time. We got time. If you guys new to the stream, make sure you leave a like. I would definitely appreciate that. 9 away from 450. We got like 5 days. I think I could hit it. The order flow is bullish. Yeah, I agree. I agree they want to bring it up here to those smooth highs. I agree, most definitely. I definitely agree they want to bring it up here. $15-minute change of delivery. down, trades higher. Talking about here, excuse me, chat, my bad. This could be a good entry as well. But we'll wait a little bit more. They may wanna use just to run it, just to go higher, maybe. And these are kind of like smooth lows. So we'll see. Oh, okay, yeah. You could see that? You spotted that out? That's crazy. You got a good eye for it. So we tap back into this gap here. The whole leg is an order block. Down consecutive down close candles, I definitely agree. See how we just stand stagnant in here? This is what you kind of want to see if you expect price to go long, because if you think price is going to go short, you only want price to stab into it at least once, two, maybe three times max. But price is doing all this. This is a clear indication that price is going to go higher. You feel me? So I like to see if we create a fair value gap right there. I'm talking the 15 minute. I'm talking the 15. Yeah, you talking about here. All right, consecutive down close candles here. I agree, that's order block. Whack ass PA, bro. It's bullish. We bullish for sure. I want to see if we create a fair value gap right here. That macro comes in at 1050. So I want to see what we do around that time. Created a fair value gap. Got the order block here. We tapped into it to the T. We also did create a gap, so let's see what we do here. Because we easily could have just took the buy side, tapped into the first presentation fair value gap, and when this was happening, you could have thought maybe we were going short. I mean, I guess you got the 15-minute change in the delivery, like Sadiq said. So we'll see. This would have been a good entry right here as well. There, and then you can target that this here. Hopefully the macro can give us some type of move higher. My stop loss was hit, taking longs at 10. The slip exited me at 70. Mad confusing. Yeah, on Topstep, bro, I went long after this candle had happened, but you see that we tapped back under this order block. But on TradingView, we didn't even do that. So Topstep probably would have got you. Yeah, that long was at 10. Yeah, I know exactly what you mean, bro. I know exactly what you mean. This candle here is this candle's here. So on Topstep, lagged us. I'm not in this trade. But this could hold up still. Let me see how they treat it. Got the order block right there as well. Yeah, crazy. I was able to mitigate some of my losses though, so we good. I only lost 45 for the day. If there's none clean enough for me to take, then I'll just call it a day. But yeah, I know what you mean, bro. Mad annoying. Those smooth highs, it looks like they want to bring it up there, so that's what I'm gonna target. Look at the bodies. Look at the wick. Look at the midpoint. If this is going to be used as an inversion, we don't want to see it come into the lower half. As you can see, we do that. We hold up. The bodies are the close and the open of these two candles here. 1, 2. It's respecting this bullish fair value gap. So that's a good sign. This wouldn't be a bad, but we got 10 minutes. That may be too long. We may do enough. We'll see though. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. You're gonna see chat. Y'all think we bring it higher or lower? What y'all think? See what the 15 minutes looking like. 15-minute candle closes in 2 minutes. 3 minutes, 5-minute candle. You gonna see twin. Let's see. So far, still holding up. We are going to see. This was yesterday's. Let me indicate that low key yesterday. So use the new day opening gap as support here. We don't break below. So entry is here. That's at 947. Yeah, all right. So far, it's still holding up. Macro will probably deliver us into that. It'd be nice. So if we create like a bullish fair value gap during inside the macro, I'll be looking along that or anything. If it ties back into anything that's I feel like it's worth taking. This is about to close in a couple seconds. I mean, price is kind of going up all slow and jagged here too as well. They may just run this out. We'll see though. We'll see what the macro does. Kind of just staying stagnant around the 8:30 a.m. opening. So we will see. going up too slow and stagnant, like I said, I think we can run these traders out. Anybody who's long here, they may run them traders out for sure. We'll see though. We will see. New 15-minute candle just opened. So we got this inefficiency here on the 5 minutes, super small and tiny there. We still got this inefficiency here holding up. There, let me see. Still got that there. Let me get rid of that. We got this inefficiency here we tapped into, but I don't think that's enough for us to send us lower. I mean, we could, but I don't think it's enough. We just accumulating. I believe we're accumulating longs positions here, so we'll see if the macro can deliver us once that does happen, or if we just run this out all nice and smooth. Done for the day. We've been dropping and don't have red folder. Yeah, we'll see. Just a lot of back and forth action. Opener, new week opening gap here. This is one huge new week opening gap. The consequent encroachment is at 404.75. That might be important. 404.75. The macro might give us a run up into that, maybe. That'd be nice if we did. 404.75. So I'll have to see. How today doesn't matter. Nobody does it better. It's going good today though, bro. We mitigated some of that loss we took. I think we originally lost like 180 or something like that. We was able to take a few partials and then relapse. Only down 45 for the day, so kind of like a break-even day, I would say. But we will see. Macro. So what we do, we just run these nose traded out. No, naughty adrica? Noti adrica? What does that mean, bro? What does that mean? We're inside the macro, so let's see if anything changes. Still holding up from here. We got these smooth highs here. Bro, I am break even today because I don't trade before September 24th until 8/4 until 8/4 February. You got break market gonna chop until 8/4 February. You think? I don't think we chop, but we will see. We will see, chat. We will see, chat. 2 minutes inside that macro. What do they want to do with it? You're just chopping back and forth. Market move because H4 got respect with H1. Order block rejection for buy entry after M1 displacement. Down here. I'm gonna see price run that. Create a fair value gap. Then we can look to target maybe this here. The midpoint is at 404. I'll do right under it at 402.50. That'll be solid. If we create a fair value gap, that should yield us enough just to catch something pretty decent. One more time, where is it at? Just in case, just in case. 404.50. 69 minutes. Overblock was holding 69 minutes of this here. I mean, kind of still holding up right here. We just consolidating. Bro, I suggest trade one pair, observe it, use fair value gap, order block for context. This macro etc. doesn't matter. Naughty adrica? You think so? You don't think this matters right here? Bro, imagine being in this trade. Oh my, bro, that would be something else. Imagine just sitting here getting chopped up, bro. I'd be, I'd be hella annoyed. I want to see. I want to see displacement. If there's no displacement, then there's no trade. This right here, oh my bro, this is annoying. Like, why does price have to create? If this gap isn't here, price runs higher. I, I'm pretty sure about that. We will see today, chat though. But I'm okay with taking the break even. Small little loss on the day. I ain't tripping about it. There's nothing really going on. Wow. 7 minutes into the macro, we just chopping. See what to do. See what we do after these last 3 minutes. Going into the second half of the macro. Blood pressure to the roof, bro. Imagine if you're in this trade, bro. You sweating bullets. I know I would be, no matter how much experience I got. You sweating bullets. No way. I don't want to be inside something like this. That's why I didn't take this here. Exactly why I didn't take this, bro. When it don't feel right, bro, you just don't take it. When it don't feel right, you just don't take it. Bro, I promise you, bro. This might sound weird, but I had somebody in my head, don't take it, don't take it. Like that shit sound crazy, right? Just want to see if we can get up, if we can even form a setup just to get up here. If we create a fair value gap, say like here, 40 points, that's not bad. I say we create a stop loss, a swing low. I say this is the swing low and we expand higher now. That wouldn't be bad. Quick little, this ain't looking too good, huh, Sadiq, bro? Market's clearly bullish, but the delivery is ass on it. Clearly bullish, but delivery is trash. Let's see if we get a fair value gap. I want to see the displacement. Minor buy side here. That's what I mean. I want to see a little bit more. It'd be nice if we didn't take out the high just yet. I don't want to see us take out the high just yet. I want to see us stay in this area. Next gap, I want to see us stay around here. That's a displacement I want to see, just like that. So let's see if we can create a fair value gap. And then find some up there. Oh. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Now I want to see if we can just stay around here just a little bit longer with this candle here. Got the small little gap there. Took out the low. We took out that high. We didn't get what the scenario we wanted. I mean, kind of got that gap there, but wouldn't be worth taking. We'll wait though. We got 9 minutes left, so I like how we had that solid closure above the high. They may just use this as support to take it higher, but I don't want to buy that though. Got this one on the 2 minute. 2 minutes looking clean. So we'll see if how we close on the 2 minute. If we can create a gap on the 2 minute, that'd be enough. Maybe go long here. Stop will be here. Target would be nope. Alright. Chat, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even care if it runs higher from here, but I'm gonna call it a day, bro. I'm gonna just call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day, chat. I don't like this at all. Like, we got the displacement, but we didn't create a reasonable gap to my liking for us to even want to take this higher. You feel me? So I'm gonna call it a day, bro. We just gonna take that on the day. We'll be back tomorrow. We consider this like a break-even day. Break-even. Only down -45. That's pretty much nothing. So we'll call it a day, man. Took partials here. Mitigated some of that loss. That's what it's all about. So I don't even care if this runs up, bro. I don't care, bro. It can do it. Got the intermediate rebalance, but it is what it is. We'll just watch it happen, I guess. We'll just watch it happen. Ain't no point in me even chasing this going high anyway. No point. We did all this, consolidated. This is going to get ran. I don't know when, but this is going to get ran. This is going to get ran. So you got about 7 minutes of the macros over with. So let's see if we can get there. Doing the macro. New week opening gap. Consequent encroachment, midpoint level right there. So let's see if we can reach up into that. Macro probably will deliver us higher, but there's a gap. If it was just a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit bigger, then I would have probably went for it. But and then on that 2 minute, we completely closed it. Even though we had the immediate rebalance, it's just like we'll just see if it would have played out. Inside the macro, we got 5 minutes, so in 5 minutes I'll end the stream. Let's see if we get there today, chat. Don't you mark volume imbalance? Don't you mark volume imbalance inside fair value gap? Where do you see a volume imbalance inside a fair value gap? Macro delivered us higher. That's nice. That's nice. That's what I want to see. I already had took 2 trades for the day anyway, chat. So it don't even kind of matter. Took 2 trades going long. Side here. Inside here. And inside this leg here. So it is what it is. If I would have took this trade, stops would be break even now. Stops would be break even. And I would have took yeah, I probably would have entered this with 3 contracts. Probably would have took 2 off here and let the last one ride out. Or at least when price breaks above this high, we might stop up just a little bit more. Probably won't break even though. 11 hour candle has a volume imbalance of 1 tick. ICT says even 1 tick matters. 11 a.m. candle. Oh, I see what you're talking about. Yeah, you do gotta include the whole entire gap. You are right. You are right about that. That's a good eye. Way to have a good eye to see that. So we should deliver higher from this gap if we want to continue higher. I still think that buy side's in play, but we will see. We will see. Two minutes left. Let's see if this holds up. Just into the midpoint of that gap, of that new week opening gap. That's all we would have needed. But I didn't really see the volume imbalance. I mean, I see it now. It's super small. But after seeing this huge gap, after seeing it like, because this right here is completely different from this. You feel me? That's completely different. So after seeing it respected like that, trade into it, that would have been pretty solid entry. This is a 2 to 5 right here. Pretty much a 2 to 5, 2.45. So 2 to 5 trade there. You would be at a 1 to 8 there. Probably take a partial off. Probably take 1 off, 2 off maybe. This candle should hold that support. So I would probably move my stop and profit here. Move my stop and just accept what it was given to me today. 21.4, 21.453 could be a draw. 21.53. 53.70. Let me see what you're looking at. Oh, the rejection block. Oh no. 453. Oh yeah, these right here, these highs right here. This is the draw, in my opinion. I believe this is the draw. This is what I was targeting, but as you can see, we had this shitty ass price action, bro. Super annoying, bro. Super annoying. Super annoying. But it is what it is, man. Just a few points away from the target. 10 points away. Like I said, stop. If you took the long here, stop should at least be in profit here after breaking this high. Stop has to be in profit. Take some off and let the rest ride to this. Or shit, if you confident, this right here. Once I seen this candle happen, my whole mindset shift. My mindset shift. I didn't. I, at that point, I decided, nah, I wasn't going to trade, but um, pay close attention to this candle's high here. This was, this was, this would have been a reason to even more reason to take the long here. You feel me? Even if it didn't get here, you still made money. That's still pretty decent. You feel me? But then you see price break above this candle, this bearish candle here. Bam. RR, look at the RR now. So definitely something to journal. Remember, intermediate rebalances. Usually when I see stuff happen like this, price usually doesn't hold, but we'll see if it holds today if we get there. $30. This is probably where I should have been too. On the 1 minute, 11:03. Let me see. 11:03. And price respected that candle there. Still could have maybe took it long there. Let me see. Still could have took a long there after seeing that. Stop. Stop could have been there. You don't expect the price to come back down below into that. This is how we get better, chat, man, for tomorrow. Look how perfect the body lined up with 2 days first particularly on the 2 minute time frame. Yeah. Once I seen this candle just do what it did though, and I already had took 2 trades and break even, I kind of just like zoned out. I'm like, nah, but I should have stuck with the scenario. Usually I'm right, bro. Usually around 75-80% of the time, I'm usually right on the direction. I'm usually right. So I got to remember that. When I look back at my data, look back at my Topstep, I'm usually right majority of the time. You feel me? So, but it's okay though. You feel me? We ain't tripping. We got today, what, Wednesday? We got Thursday and Friday. We up 1,000 on the account. So, and order would have got filled just like that. So this move did work out once we seen the displacement. I kind of prematurely psyched myself out, but it's okay. We'll take that. We'll screenshot that. We'll screenshot that. That was a good. This was doing the macro too. Macro delivered us all the way to here, to this candle here. 10-10. That's a good, and that's like a bread and butter setup. Maybe that's why it was consolidating. Yeah, accumulating long positions. I mean, I wouldn't want to. I mean, I could see why it would go long from here. You feel me? But wouldn't want to be inside this for too long. Like this would have had me annoyed and kind of like sweating. Like, you feel me? Just on some real shit, bro. You feel me? So look how we tap that to the T. Look how we tap it there to the T. Good draw on liquidity. You feel me? That was a good draw on liquidity right there. Good draw. But I'm gonna be bored once I end the stream, bro. You know, I'm gonna be super bored. I ain't gonna have nothing to do. Probably go outside and get some water or something. He said, I'd take this trade. Oh, you took the trade there at the 9:30. Nice. That's super nice. 1 hour time frame inversion fair value. We got. Where's the inversion you're talking about? You talking about this whole entire gap here? This would be just a reclaimed bullish if we. I wouldn't consider this a inversion. I would look at this like reclaimed as a bullish fair value gap. But I would also, but this entire gap here, I guess that could be an inversion, but I don't know. This one here, this is an inversion on the 1 hour. We tap back into it at 9 o'clock. I wonder if the PM session may give us something pretty decent. I may look for something inside the PM session that's worth it, maybe. So whenever you see price go up slow and jagged like this, I talk about this like every day, every single day for the most part. I see it happen every day. Once you see price, you see this candle, and you see price just start to slow down just a little bit, you can expect price to retrace into that, bro. Retrace into this range right here. From this low to this high, you can expect some type of retracement. Looks like they're going to continue to bring it higher though. That's what it's looking like. So we will see. Okay. One thing. We get rid of that because I don't need that. But I want to see where I went long from at first. I went long. My first entry was 21,301. That's a good entry, low key. That's a good ass entry. My stop was here. Look at Mondays. Check Discord. Okay. Look at Mondays 4 hour 18. 4 hour. Look at Mondays. 1800. 1800. You talking about this candle here? At 6 a.m. You said Monday though. Hold on. discount wick. Okay. It lined up with the new week opening gap as well, huh? That's nice, bro. That's a good eye. Way to have a good eye. Way to have a good eye, bro. Way to have a good ass eye on that. So I moved my stop up, bro. So I moved my stop just a little earlier than expected. Um, that's why I took this loss. Moved my stop just a little too high, too quick maybe. But we don't expect this to happen. You know what I mean? So I'm glad I did so. I'd rather take a small loss like this than a big loss like that. You feel me? So that was that entry right there. Right. Then I went long again. Here at Then I went long again at 304.50. Took another one at wait. Hold on. Let me just zoom out because it looks a little different. All right. We went long. Oh, okay. I get it. I went long with this candle first at 21.301 flat. So at 21.301 flat, my entry was here. This is my first entry. Okay. Second entry was here. No. First entry was at 301 flat, just like that. And then my stop was moved. My stop was originally here, but that 10 o'clock, I took it after the 10 o'clock, so it had to be with this candle. See the exact candle I took it on. Yeah, I took it with this candle here. 301, yep. At 10:02 is where I went long. Yep, 10:02 there. Target was that there. I moved my stop and profit there, and then I got hit at break even on this trade. So we're gonna journal that up. There's a lot of stuff going on right here now, so I want to just clear this up a little bit. We'll see. Just like that. I seen this gap here. This was the gap I seen there. We also had, this was the most important one for me there. Okay. 21. What did I say? 21-28325 is where I got tagged. 21-283. So I got tagged there, took the re-entry, took how many did I take off? I took off one or two. Took off one there. Oh, I took off one there. Oh, at first I had added one by accident, but then I took off one there. And then got hit at break even there. So channel this up there. Screenshot that. Bro, like why can't we just deliver there straightforward, bro? Why the market gotta do us like that, man? Why? Five-minute Bissy in play, maybe. I mean, you can just use this discount wick here. Use that. Because wicks are gaps, so we can see how to treat the midpoint of that wick. That 5-minute inefficiency is already kind of like, it's already closed in. So I wouldn't even pay attention to that anymore. I would just look at this here. Lunchtime, there should, usually with lunch, I've been noticing. I mean, I guess it changed. I guess shit like cycles and shit like that, but maybe like last month around this time, let's say my bias was bullish and I want to see price go long. You feel me? Around this time, around 11:30, going into that lunch hour, price usually runs these traders out. So let's see if that happens during the lunch hour. 11 a.m. 5-minute Bissy. 11 a.m. Oh, 11 a.m. 5-minute Bissy. Okay. Let's see what you seeing. Yeah, look how it's treating the gap. Look how it's treating it. Didn't even come into the lower end of it. We still could, but if I were to take the long from here, I would be super confident. If I thought price was going to continue to go higher, I don't know what it's going to do now. This still may be a draw on liquidity, but I don't know. You should respect. Yep. In fact, so let me drop the link to my Discord. I take this once again. We close above the midnight dealing range. I see the immediate rebound is coming, and I take the long. Stop above the first row. You got lower portion. The final TP is yesterday's first. What you got? That's nice. See, I wanted to be short. I wanted to go long inside here. I obviously seen it happening. Like I seen all this happening, right? But like the way my model is, the way my rule is set by, because usually I lose inside that opening range. I lose. You know what I mean? So, bro, back then a lot of my losses would come from that opening range, bro. So I just told myself I'm not even gonna take it. Like it looks clear. We got the bullish breaker here. First presentation for value gap here, new week opening gap here. So I see everything occurring, but like I just want to stay disciplined to my rules. You feel me? I feel like if I would have took the trade and still won, I wouldn't have felt good about it. You know, if that makes sense. You get what I'm saying? I wouldn't have felt good about it, so that's why I didn't take it. Cause I'm like, I was gonna press the button, but I'm like, that's not kind of what I go by though. I like that 10 a.m. Most of my wins come from trading between 10 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. And most of my losses come between this. So just because I can read it today, don't mean I'm gonna be able to read it tomorrow. You feel me? Or the next day. And who knows? Like, that's why trading is like psychological, because let's just say I took this trade, right? I took this trade today, and my rules say 10 a.m. through 11:30, and I took this trade today and I won. I'm gonna feel in my mind like I'm doing it blindly though. You feel me? This is how trading is. You might not be aware of it, but like I'm doing it blindly. So let's say I win this trade, then tomorrow I'm like, okay, the setup looks smooth. I'm gonna take it again. I won tomorrow. I won yesterday, and I lose. You feel me? But the setup looked good. But if I would have stuck to the 10 a.m., stuck to my rules, then I would have been okay. So that's kind of why I didn't take this, bro. Even though I know it's going higher, I just gotta stick with that 10 a.m. That's how I'm gonna get to where I need to be, pass all these Topstep accounts and get payouts and shit. I'm gonna just stick to that. It's 5 minute. So what's good, Flexi, bro? Tap into the 15 minute. Yeah, I took some trades. I used the trades I took here. I went long here. I moved my stuff up just a little too quick, but price lagged anyway. Price lagged, cause I wanted to. I don't know. This shit. Top Step is tripping, bro. Top Step tripped out, especially on my boy Bryson. But I went long here. Stop loss got hit. Took the re-entry. Took off one here. Moved my stop in profit. My original loss was like 175 or 180, but I mitigated it down to 45. So break even day. Break even for the most part. And then yeah, that's it. That was it. See this small little inefficiency here? Small little inefficiency right there. If I seen that, I would do this here. Bam. Bam. Just like that. That's how I would do it. Cause I wouldn't want to short that. Even though price still could, like I said, maybe like a month ago, month and a half maybe a little less. Around the lunch hour time, price would usually run these traders out. But I guess since it's February, you know, seasonal tendency is different, so they may not want to do that this time. But small little inversion gap there. 5 minutes should be like Koran called out. Tap into that 15 minute here. We gonna see, chat. We gonna see. These some good moves. Like the moves are pretty decent. It's just the delivery of price action. Like I don't know. Look at it. Like chat. Does this look clean? Would you consider this clean? Yeah, it's readable. You can read through it. As you can see every PD array being used, every discount array being used. But it's like the way they're using it is like back and forth, slow and choppy. Even after the 9:30 opening, but it was still kind of ass. I would probably take off. As soon as price got there, I would go break even. I ain't gonna lie. Just because we're already high into the range, we're close to taking out that draw on liquidity. So it can retrace anytime. We already did enough low key. It don't gotta come there today or right now at this specific moment. But I would probably take some off there. Take some off there, change the delivery there, as you can see with these candles right here. Changing the state of delivery. Let's see how this closes though first. Gotta see how this closes first. There, you can take some off there, there. But yeah, I took a few trades. I took two trades today only. You currently have active positions. What? Where? Ain't got no active positions. They're lying, bro. They're lying. There's no active position. They're lying. Oh, there. Okay. It should reclaim 1 minute, 11:05. Everybody you got? Let's see. Let's see if it does that. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying. Let's see if they reclaim it as bullish. Lower quadrant. We tapped into it there. I believe they claim it as bullish. I definitely believe change of the step delivery. I think they take this higher. It's high resistance, yeah, bro. That's exactly why, bro. Like, bruh, no. My rules even say don't even trade it. Like, I shouldn't even have gotten to this, but um, I mean, the draw on liquidity was obvious though. It was a clear draw. You know what I mean? It just depends, I guess, how you seek it, how you see it, and shit like that, bro. But this is, I would consider this like high resistance, maybe like seek and destroy. I mean, it's kind of the same, but more of like the seek and destroy type vibe. Cause we still delivering, but it's just like a lot of wick action going on. You feel me? So I definitely agree with that, bro. But this is how I would took this trade, just like this. Bam, got in, just like that. So that 5 minute, we back above it, like Kareem just said, bro. We back above it. Super nice, bro. Super nice. Let's see if they reclaim it as bullish. Want to see what they do with the upper end if we leave it open or if we tap back into it. It'd be better if we didn't. It'd be better if we left this gap open and didn't even touch back into this. If we could do that and then take out this high, we could probably just go ahead. It'll probably just go ahead and take out the highs here too. So we leave this gap open. Don't tap back into this. If you run this super aggressive, price may not even want to come back into that. Change of the third delivery here. Once you see that happen, you see the change happen. With this candle here, we close. I would have probably moved my stop here. Then once we broke above here, took one off maybe. Stop's go break even now. Took another one off here. Then took another one off there. That's how I would have navigated through this trade. Big candles now, maybe. It's lunch hour right now, so I know what you mean, though. We got the smooth highs on the new week opening gap. Smooth highs. I say we leave this open and we take out that high. So let me see how they just treated this wick here. Look at the midpoint of that wick. Look how we treated it. Bam, just like that. Just like that, bro. I'm like the best at this shit. Nah, let me chill. Let me chill. Let me chill. Let me chill. I ain't even made no real bread yet from this. Let me chill. Let me chill, chat. Let me chill. But breakaway gap here. We leave this open. We don't tap back into that. We just run the high. After seeing this, I think they can continue to take it higher, bro. I think they leave this open, but I could be wrong. Let's see how they treat this discount wick right here. 2 minute immediate rebalance there. It's reasonable to retrace back into here, but let's see. Nice play. Took 1470. Oh, you took the trade, bro? You took this? I hit daily drawdown today. FOMO and over leveraging. Mmm. It happens, bro. Just trying to, if you can, just try to learn from what you did wrong, bro. There ain't no point of, you see, look at all these trades, bro. Look, so I went break even today. I mean, I took a loss on it today, and I was able to get some of it back a little bit, you know. But I'm calling out all these moves live, and I'm not really tripping about missing these moves because it's high resistance. You know what I mean? I don't want to be trading in a high resistance market condition. I do not want to be trading that, bro, because majority of the time I lose. I even made a video about that 3 months ago. You feel me? 2 or 3 months ago. If you go check it out on my YouTube, mistakes I made as a trader that you might be victim of. Trade in these conditions, you're bound to lose. Like you can get some, but you're bound to lose, bro. And as you can see, what happened to me, right? Trade in these type conditions, took a loss, bam. Even though I got like a small little winner, price came right back down. It couldn't even deliver, break even. So, ain't no point of missing out on moves. You feel me? There's no point, cause you'll find a move tomorrow, or find a move in the PM session today. There's no point. But I used to be the same way though. I used to be the same way, and I'm not saying I don't get that type of feeling of missing a move to this day, but I'm able to control it and just walk away and just be like, okay, it is what it is. You feel me? There's 20 trading days out of the month. You telling me I can't catch 5 of those, 6 of those? No way. But it's all good though, bro. All good. So Laird, you took this play here, Laird. Laird trades, you took that play? You took this trade here? It's tough. That's tough, ain't it, Sadiq, bro, huh? That's tough. Wanted to laugh my ass off. Wanted to take the buys at bottom with sweep SMT inversion, but waited till 10 a.m. and got rocked. Damn, bro, you should have. I would have waited for that. You should have took that, bro. Should have took that. I would have taken that if that was my model. I'm not gonna lie. If I see it clearly happen, I clearly seen all this happening. Like I just said, I seen all this playing out, but I just didn't take the trade because I just feel like it's more important for me to stay disciplined to my rules rather than trying to just catch a quick. Yeah, I would have made money, but if I would have tried to do that again the next day and the next day and the next day, who says I don't lose? So that's why I just wait till 10. But uh, this was a small lethargic run on price, so I think they still bring it higher. I still think they bring it higher, especially after creating these gaps here. Still think they bring it higher. Can I learn with you? Yeah, just here. Let me drop the link to my Discord here. Drop the link for you guys, and as of right now, I'm gonna be completely honest. As of right now, yeah, I don't mind helping people out, but I know around the end of the year, around December, maybe January, is when I'll really be hosting my own entire like mentorship, and it won't even be expensive at all because at that point I wouldn't even need the money. I seriously wanted to help people get better at trading. You feel me? Because I feel like it's more of like a mindset thing now. I found your stream and that alert was already in play. Caught my entry at exit at 400. Nice, that's tough, bro. Didn't catch the short though, which would have made more on the move. It's alright though. You made 1,470, bro. You're good, bro. You just made most people's rent, so you're okay, bro. That's nice. Super nice, bro. Good shit. Like I said, this run was all weekend lethargic. I think they continue to drive it higher. Look how they're using this gap here. This 5 minute inefficiency here. Let me see how they use that. So I guess I'm just doing some tape reading, I guess. I was about to end my stream a long time ago, but it's alright. Bro, this chiropractor keeps texting me, bro. You opting in out. I guess I'll schedule a chiropractor appointment, bro. Golly. Like, bro, in order to keep good momentum in trading, bro, I feel like it's just super important to just follow the rules, bro. Follow the rules. Even if I would have won this trade, like I said, took him before 10 o'clock, going into tomorrow, that kind of would have threw me off just a little bit. I mean, I do know how to read price action, but it's just like, I don't know. I feel like the little things can affect your psychology if you let it, though. If you let it at that point, too. So, clean this up. Yeah, join my Discord and yeah, man. In my Discord, I have everything you should watch in order, bro. And I have everything. I'm gonna revamp this as the months continue to, come along. I will be taking helping everybody in here just a little bit more. Definitely me and Sadiq will, if he's okay with that. But as of right now, I'm still trying to pass a 50K combine to myself. Even though I know how to trade, I just don't feel. I ain't gonna say I don't feel comfortable, but I'd rather just wait till I get a little bit more things established before I actually start taking somebody else serious and their journey serious. You feel me? If that makes sense to you, chat, to y'all. So, but this is what I meant right here. So, you want to start off with, join my Discord, bro. And you can DM me every single day. You can text me every day, bro. Text me every day. If I'm still willing to help. But you want to start off with this one here. We do have liquidity sitting at 45175. I want to see if we punch through that after lunch. I'll look at it in a minute, but start off with, if you join my Discord, bro, start off with this here. Start off with this here, and then you can watch the ICT private core mentorship. And honestly, bro, like, just to save you a whole bunch of time, in my opinion, bro, because you don't need everything. You don't need everything here to be profitable, bro, or build your own model to be a trader or whatever. But you definitely need the market maker series. And I would stop at maybe core content month four. I would watch all those videos and I would stop if you feel like you need to. And then I would gradually go into the 2022 ICT mentorship. That's how you're gonna like define your model. You feel me? Market maker series or the primer course is low-key kind of good too. I'll probably start out with the primer course first and then the market maker series course first, second, and then go from and then watch the core content, and then I will go to the 2022 ICT mentorship. That's how I would do it if you want to just make sure you got everything down packed. But this here, I started off with this one right here. This here is not enough. It might, I don't know. I don't think it's enough. I don't think it's enough because this just talks about the sweep, break, retraction to a fair value gap for the most part. That's the model, but I feel like you need a few more other things. So, yeah, man. Anybody who joins my Discord, don't be afraid to just shoot me a text or even Even we got individuals in the chat too that's really good at trading as well. So get in here and let's lock in, bro. Let's lock in. As you can see, we respect each other. Independent thinking, you know. This was most important right here. Independent thinking when it comes to trading, bro. You got to be your own independent thinker. Because if you don't, bro, then you will never be able to be full time if you're relying on anybody else. You know what I mean? It won't work out. We still trading higher, like I said. I do think we could get through this, and we're doing that now. So you probably see this move and like, damn, I should have took this move. Or you probably see this move and be like, damn, I should have took this move too. That's not the mindset you want to have. That's how I kept getting burnt up back in the day. That's exactly how I kept getting burnt back in the day, man. FOMO was eating me alive. Just join your Discord. Okay, bet. Okay, bet, yeah. Any questions, bro? Don't hesitate to ask me, bro. Do not hesitate to ask me. My boy Dave. What are you up for today? 113 for today. Solid. Broke the Wednesday curse. Solid, bro. Yeah, bro. He should have took the short here. Look the long here. She got cooked today. Yeah. It happens, bro. It happens. It happens. These conditions. These conditions, man. These conditions. But yeah, Daryl, if you're new to trade, well, Daryl Trades, you probably know what you're doing. Yeah, you know what your name. You got trades inside your name. But anything here, bro, anything inside this here, bro, I'm gonna keep adding to this too. As I watch more videos, I continue to add. You feel me? Like I said, towards the end of the year, maybe the beginning of the year, maybe we'll see where I'm at when it comes in terms of my trading and stuff like that. But I'm gonna revamp this whole entire Discord. I won't. Everybody will still be in here, but I'm gonna revamp everything for the most part, and we're gonna grow this Discord to something crazy. We already got about. Let me see. Norm Ashtrays got smoked today. Ashtrays got smoked today too. Dang. I'm grateful then, bro. I'm grateful I took me a little loss and call today, bro. I'm grateful, bro. No cap, thank God. Because these conditions are not it. Sometimes you gotta just know when to walk away, bro. And that's easier said than done. Bro. You never know. Tomorrow might be a hard day for me, hard day for you to walk away. So you just gotta just do it. But I mean, they already consistently profitable, bro. They already made probably over. If they're not millionaires, they close to becoming millionaires. So they good. It don't even matter to them, bro. That one day, one loss, one day for them, they don't care. Ash or Tanya doesn't care, bro. They know tomorrow they gonna make money, or if not tomorrow, Friday. So they good, bro. Oh my God, she shorted. Did she take the short there? No way. No way she took the short. No way she took that short. The draw is here. No way. She probably was looking at something different though. Yes, my lesson today was being an independent thinker. Facts. Being an independent thinker. And what does that mean, bro? Alright, so I would have a problem with that as well too, because as I'm trying to learn how to trade and get better as a trader, you know, I got Justin in my ear, Justin Werlin. I'm constantly watching his videos. I got ICT in my ear. I got TJR in my ear. I have a lot of things in my ear. And it's okay to, like, you know, look at them for advice and stuff like that. But when it comes to like trading, when you're about to press that button, at that point, you got to be your own independent thinker. But if Justin or Tanja said the draw liquidity is here, it's okay to just like consider that a draw. You know what I mean? Don't consider that in full effect. But when you about to press that button, bro, you want to make sure you press it based on your own decision making, bro. Nobody else's. I used to do that back in the day, bro, and that used to kill me. That used to hurt me so much. You feel me? I just experienced something like that. I want to say last Monday. Last Monday I experienced something like that. I wasn't looking at the charts. I wasn't looking at the charts at all. I was in bed laying down, and I was looking at ICT's Telegram, right? And he pointed out a move or something like that. And me not doing any checkups, any daily checkups on the market, me just getting in, logging into my Topstep, I just click buy. But as I'm looking at this, I'm like, I think price gonna go higher, but he thinks it's gonna go lower. But I'm like, he more experienced than me, so he might be right. You know what I mean? So I took his scenario, and I ended up losing, and price ended up going where I thought price was gonna go, and I was like, damn, right there, that same mistake I used to make back in the day, I made it again. You feel me? So that's just something to remember. Like, no matter who it is, bro, me, anybody in this chat, Sadiq, Joel, Laird, you feel me? Even when you join the Discord, bro, don't be tempted to just take a position just because I did it or somebody else did it, bro. Got to be your own thinker, bro. That's the only way you're gonna be your own consistently profitable trader, in my opinion. So yeah, I still follow Ash. He's a good trader. I like the unicorn model. The unicorn model is nice too. That's nice. That's nice. Isn't that like, man? I do that. ICT been 3 for 3 this week though. Yeah, he has been 3 for 3. Damn, why my tongue just rolled. Yeah, 3 for 3 this week. Yeah, that's why I said I still look at his Telegram. Like when he's calling out these moves and everything, when he says this could be a draw, maybe he thinks price are gonna get here. Okay, I'm looking at what's going on. I clearly see, okay, from my experience, this is what I see. I see a breaker here. I see this holding up as an inversion here. This gap here, we got this inversion gap here. We got this bullish fair value gap here. So I see it. You know what I mean? I see it. If I don't see it and he's talking about getting in a trade, then I don't take it. But if I see it from my own point of view, and you know what I mean? It's a little different. Long failed. I flipped on the 1 minute. Inversion grabbed 28 points on this short. Long failed. Oh, so you went short off this inversion right here. Off this inversion. On the 1 minute sweep, inversion here. What you target? You did something like this, huh? Something like that. The stop was probably like there. You probably put it like there. Targeted that. That's a good scalp, bro. Look at that, 3 to 6. What did I say, chat? Lunch hour. Around that lunch hour, they usually bring it lower. They usually run these traders out. Let's see if they leave these traders alone or take those out as well. But around this time, price starts to. It was happening all last month and a half. Last month and a half ago, this was happening. Around that 11:30 mark, price will start to create some type of scenario. Yep, that one. That's nice, bro. Good shit. You killing it, bro. You killing it. If I was already funded, my approach to trading would be so different because at that point I wouldn't really kind of care. But once I get funded, then I can start being a little bit more aggressive and more, just aggressive with it. I noticed that it always reverses, bro. Not always, but sometimes, you know what I mean? We got this macro right here that it's 1150 to 1210. That macro there. Time and price. So what happened? Price retraces back from this 15 minute. I think this is a 15 minute. Yep, 15 minute bullish fair value gap, right? We trade higher from it. We come back above the old Old new week opening up consequent encroachment. We sweep the high inversion, time and price, bro. So these are all signatures to why you would probably want to take this short based on however you trade. But time and price is what's most important. We got the time here. We got 1150, 1010 on our side. You got price doing what it do. Sweep, inversion, delivery. Do the opposite. Don't go aggressive when funded. Oh, okay. So let me reframe. I don't mean like once I get funded with this account, you know what I mean? I don't mean I'm going to be aggressive on this account, but once I get funded on this account, I'll buy more accounts, and at that point, I wouldn't really care about, um, you get what I'm saying. But on this account, I'm definitely building me a buffer for sure. I'm gonna buff the fuck out this motherfucker, no cap. I'm gonna make sure I get a good, decent little buffer, and then once I can do that, and then maybe have this as my lead account. Maybe we gonna see though, bro. We gonna see. February 6th, so I have till February 6th to pass. Not really tripping about the rebuild. Like I said, got to make 2,000 more. So who knows? There might be a setup for me tomorrow that gives me 2K. So we gonna see. We gonna see. Like I said, bro. Like I said, there ain't no rush. There ain't no rush of me trying to pass this account, because if I can stick to 2 trades a day, and if I do decide to take one more trade, 3 trades max, but my risk got to be up to par. You know what I mean? But let's just say I stick to 2 trades like I did today, tomorrow, Friday, and next week. You don't think I'm gonna pass this account? That's kind of like, that would kind of be crazy. You know what I mean? Stick to 2 trades a day. I don't copy trade. I'm paying 20. I'm playing, or you're paying for 22 accounts at the moment. But evals I risk up to 6 cons. But with my PAs, um, they're 1 to 2 cons max unless I need to DCA or add into a winner. Oh, okay. I'm using a low balance real money account. I want to get funded though. I always hear about payouts be laggy. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I don't think prop firms are going to be around too much longer. That's why I realized this whole time. That's another thing too, bro. I feel like where traders really go wrong, bro. And if you guys know who Doyle Exchange is, he explains this a lot. He talked about it a lot, I would say. Well, he used to, but bro, if you're gonna consider yourself a day trader, bro, you got a solid trading plan, and and you know your model works, bro. You should be trading live, and you should have a funded account. You should be trying to milk them and putting that money into your live account. But you should still be trading live, bro. You should still be trading live. You know what I mean? You should still trade live with a live account, and it's important to have a weekly objective. You know what I mean? Don't just get on a live account and just try to run it up. No, that's not sustainable, bro. You're not gonna be consistently profitable like that. I mean, you probably could. I don't know. To each his own, but I feel like in order to do this full time as a full time day trader, bro, you need to have an objective you want to reach, and then you stop. Just like your job, your 9 to 5, you might work a certain amount of hours, and you stop. Your job pays you, so that's how you gotta treat a live trading account. You know what I mean? Every time you reach that weekly objective, you withdraw or you add more. You can withdraw from the account and add more. That's my take on it. That's what I plan on doing in the future. So we have the run on stops here. Let's see if this how they treat this gap here. Small little gap. But I definitely agree, bro. I definitely agree. So Topstep, I guess they don't give out they don't give out. There's like this futures prop firm, I think, or something like that. I think it's called like Apex or Apex Prep. I don't know. It's something, bro. But I seen somebody with 20 accounts, bro. They had 20 accounts, 20, 50K accounts, and they were trading it. I said, what the fuck, bro? That's like a unlimited money glitch. Yep. Look at your prop firm and see what the minimum daily target is. Topstep is 200, so target above that, including commissions. Yeah, that's what I plan on doing. Once I get past this combine, um, that'll be the goal. That'll be the goal. And at that point, this is the mindset I have about it, right? So let's say I'm in profit $200, bro. There's no point of me letting that. I'm locking in that 200 no matter what. Like you said, maybe commissions and costs. So I'm locking that in no matter what. And if price hits me out, and it still goes for my TP, then I guess I wouldn't matter. I guess it wouldn't matter. I guess you just got to make 200. I think, is it 3 days in a row or 5 days in a row? I believe so. That would be my next focus, my mindset about it. Not trying to catch super crazy moves, but just building that buffer of that 1,000 after those 5 days, and then after that, trade regularly. Then my trading journey really begins. Really begins from a prop firm perspective. Like I said, I'll be trading live next month, and I'll be trading live just from my trading view chart. So that's my take on it. Dude was typing on my other screen and missed the long on 2 minute from targeting 3 second bottom. Targeting the bottom of 1 minute. Would have been 20.75 points. Dude was typing. I was typing on my other screen. Missed the long on the 2 minute. Oh, here with this inversion. I enter on the break of the inversion, not close candle. Oh, you enter on the break of the inversion. So here, once price breaks above it, you go short with proper, which is proper ICT. Yeah. So on the break of the inversion here, once price breaks above that's where you go. You go short. You go long. I would probably, if I see an inversion on a 2 minute like this, right? Just to confirm it, see the inversion like that. See this candle here? The immediate rebalance. That's a good entry right there. That's a really good entry. This whole entire order block right here. I'll probably go something like that. Let's just say I don't get it there, but I get it like here. I'll probably put my stop there. It depends, I guess, though. If the stop was here, that'd be better. Yeah, after immediate rebalance, you don't expect price to trade below that after seeing that. So this is a good stop right here. That's okay. That's okay. And if you didn't trust it, last line of defense, depending on how you trade here. But here for that better RR, if you think market's gonna go there. Yep, and target at the bottom of the higher 1 minute fair value gap. You just target that. Oh, so you just getting in and out. Quick, simple scalps. That's nice. Okay. Quick, simple scalps 1 to 7. That's kind of 20 points a day keeps the job away. That's some real shit right there, bro. Exactly. That's real, bro. That's a good mindset to have. You don't need to catch all these huge ass moves and shit like that, bro. That's a good mindset to have. Nice and slow. I first started. I think my computer about is at 10%. All right. When I first started trading these Top Step accounts, my first Top Step account was last month ever. Keep the job, your facts, scalps, but every time, facts. I agree with you, bro. I agree with you on that for sure. I agree with you on that for sure. But when I first started trading Top Step, I had the mindset of like, bro, I need to just pass this shit, catch as many points as I can. But um, towards like the middle, towards the end of, toward the middle, kind of end of last month, um, after looking at my, after looking at my, after looking at my journal, right, chat, right, chat. When I look at my journal here, I won't even show y'all, but I don't lose. It's rare that I lose 3 trades in a row. I do not lose three trades in a row. So once I figured out, damn, I do not lose 3 trades in a row. There's no point of me trying to just trying to revenge trade, trying to make back what I lost. You know what I mean? There's no point. Here, I'll show y'all my really quick. See. All right, so this is February, right? So since let's just throw from the this is the last month of that January. So 1, 2, 3. This is a rare occasion. Like I said, I just rare that I lose 3 trades in a row. But you see, there's 3 trades, and then what did I do? I didn't even lose. Yeah, I didn't even lose 3 trades in a row. So I took the win, took the loss, win, loss, win, win. I changed this up completely though. I go based on my days now. So instead of specific trades, I go based on if I ended the day green, break even, or red. That's how I started incorporating it since February. So as you can see, Monday here, 1 loss, break even, win. Loss, break even, win. Loss, break even, win. So where's your rare that I like, I'm not, what did I lose right here? 280. This was the trade right here. This was that trade. I should have took partials. So if I would have took partials here, bro, if I would have took partials here, this would have been a green day. Even when I had what a few people telling me in my chat. This was the day, yeah. But I'm not losing 3 trades. I'm not losing 5 trades in a row, 6 trades. That's not happening. That's not happening. And then when I lose, look at this loss. So 280, 280, 384, 714. You feel me? Today, what did I break even? We'll just say I lost $45. You know what I mean? So not really losing too many trades in a row, bro. So that's, you gotta look back at your data as well. Look back at your data as well and just pay attention to that. Like, look at your, I bet a lot of people that trade, bro, they're consistently profitable, bro. They're consistently profitable, but they don't know it yet because they don't journal. They do not journal. If they journal, they know. You feel me? Even if you're trading, say you're trying to trade a Top Step account, Apex, whatever, bro. And you look back at your data. Yeah, you're not funded, but if you look at all those weeks, you feel me? You still consistently profitable, bro. You gotta think about it like that too, bro. Performance stats. Let me see. So this was the first month I had a red day, and that's because I think one of these days was uncalled for. One of these days was definitely uncalled for. Very disciplined. Followed on both my accounts. Followed both my YouTube. Oh, followed on both my YouTube. Oh, I appreciate that a lot, bro. I really appreciate that. No cap. But as you can see, so we're gonna try to end this month. As long as we can end this month green, that's that first start. That's that first That's how you shift into that mindset of becoming consistently profitable and just doing what's right. You feel me? Yeah, this might say 7 trades, but that's how many times I pressed the button. You know what I mean? Damn, my voice cracked. We all know I took 2 trades here, but my contracts. You feel me? So as long as we can, end the week off green, that's all that matters. Took a small loss, so we definitely gonna find something one of these days. I know I will. You know what I mean? And then we go into next week, NFP on Friday, NFP next Friday, so we can trade this Monday. So that's the mindset that I shifted to. You feel me? That I'm starting to realize now. Like, forget the day, bro. Look at the week. Look at the overall week, bro. Look at the overall week. So let's just see what I can finish with by the end of the month. Sticking with 2 trades a day, no revenge trading, using proper risk management, taking partials, managing our stop loss properly. Let's see what happens. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, chat. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, around 9:15, 9:20 my time. I mean EST. That's around 8:15, 8:20 my time. So that'll be it, chat. I appreciate everybody who stopped through. I appreciate all the new people that came through and subscribed and chatted with your boy. So